J+G International was started in the year 1991. We are the pioneers in India for manufacturing of protective garments for surface preparation for abrasive blasting and painting industry. We are exporting our product globally to America, Canada, Middle East, Far East, Europe, New Zealand, Australia. We have since diversified into allied industries, for automotive industries and for general industries. The workers who are involved in hazardous jobs need the utmost safety. We at J+G try to give them the protection required for such jobs. We are an ISO 9000 certified company with few of our products CE certified from Germany.
We offer a wide range of products including overall, capes for helmets, bags, toolkits and high visibility jackets.
To meet the customers' needs and patterns, we keep developing newer samples. In fact, right now we are producing around 45 different kinds of products.
Our philosophy is to create protective clothing along with enhanced comfort. If the user is comfortable wearing our products, it will increase the mobility of the end user.
Quality check is performed at various stages in the factory. The first step is when the raw material enters the factory, and the final check is when it is packaged and leaving for the port, sea or air. We have a manual which we adhere to just to make sure that every step is followed. In fact, we conduct various internal and external audits just to ensure that the process is being followed.
So we do understand the need for international safety norms and also the quality control norms.
While there might be many suppliers of protective clothing in the market, but our DNA of the last 30 years helps us to understand what material is best, what buttons and zips should be used, thus reducing the risk of accidents to negligible.
I think the mantra is that our team is very dedicated and passionate, and this is what has helped us to reach excellence, and this is the reason why we have a very strong relationship with our global clients.